just left the Ford scrapyard. There's a lot of Fords there. We ended up picking up more than we were originally gonna grab. So I got a FBRP exhaust. I guess he's a dealer for them. So that was a little bit cheaper than online yet. A cheap tailgate, that's the wrong color, but oh well. And he said just put a roof skin on it. So we went that route. Here's a list for Josh. I have enough things to worry about. What? What'd you do?
Teasing his burger.
Josh's worries now.
All right, so we just picked this stuff up about 2 years ago, but we're gonna put it on the truck now. As you can see, it's very marinated with dust, and it might have gotten a little bit wet because it's wrinkly. But that's okay, because it's stainless steel. So according to MBRP, you're supposed to cut your downpipe. If you want to keep it in one piece for reusing it, you have to take out the transmission cross member, which means you need to jack the transmission up with something else, like a tranny jack. Take this cross member out, keep your transmission supported so it stays up in the air, and then you can take it out. We're just going to cut it because once we put this 4-inch in, we're not going to go back. There's the back half. So we're just taking off the band clamp for the back of the turbo, and then hopefully this exhaust pipe will just fall on the ground. Be careful, you have to reuse it. Would you look at that? Who puts a turbo sideways when your engine is facing this way? Forward. Good thing they circled the problem on the front. Alright, I have my working at heights training. I learned myself how to work up here. Couple more clamps on and we're gonna fire it up and she'll be done. All right, we're just gonna fire it up and see how it sounds. So I don't know why it does that hissing sound. It doesn't look like it has a variable vane turbo on it. But if you know why it's doing it, it's I believe it's a 2001 7.3 or 99, somewhere around there. If you know why it's doing it, let us know, because I'm curious. So the exhaust is on. So next up, we're gonna do a set of lights, headlights and taillights. All right, we're gonna give this thing a little facelift. We're gonna put some new headlights in because you're not gonna see out of that at night. Or during the day either. There's 2 screws in the bottom and then you just yank on it and it should pop out. Just like that. Oh. I think something's defective with this light. A little bit of fitment and these will be awesome. Quick tip, if your lights aren't level, drive in front of a wall on flat ground and you can see where they aim and then you can make them level. That's it for the lights. So we got to do a little bit of finicky straightening stuff out and aiming the lights. We'll do that off camera because that takes a while and there's not much to see. And hopefully we see this truck rolling down the road soon.
Yeah.